Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aika. If you're new here, welcome. Happy New Year, happy 2021. We finally made it through 2020. It's been such a rough year, but I'm wishing you all lots of health, lots of happiness, and lots of love. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all of the gifts that I received for New Year's and Christmas. We don't celebrate Christmas here, so New Year's, but for you guys, I'll just combine the two together. Let's start with the very first one. I really love unwrapping my gifts with you. It has become a tradition to open up my gifts with you guys. This is a gift from my aunt and my uncle, and she always gifts us little makeup things like this. This one is from Guerlain and it has a mascara and the liquid eyeliner. I love using eyeliners, as you can see, so I'm super happy and excited to start using this new set from Guerlain. Now let's move on to the next gift. I received this gorgeous little bag in the beautiful pink color. It's like this baby pink color. It was from my in-laws and it's by a brand called Elisabetta Franchi. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it is so cute. It is really adorable. It has this tweed in the middle. It reminds me of Chanel classic flaps, and then it has this croc embossed style all around the handbag as well as on the inside. It is very structured. It's very girly looking, and I wanted to add a pin bag to my collection for quite a long time, and now I have one. I'm super excited. It has this chain strap, which is the perfect length to wear on shoulder, and I am super excited to start wearing it when it's springtime and the weather is more appropriate. Right now it's very gray, it's super dark, and you know, I'm just not in the mood to wear something this pink, but I think for summertime, for springtime, it's going to be so perfect. The next gift is from Prada, and this was a gift from me to me, because why not? And I wasn't planning on buying this, but as I mentioned in my previous shopping vlog, if you haven't watched it, I will link it up here so you can check it out. But in that shopping vlog, I said that I wanted to check out Prada because they have some new releases that I was interested in, and they had this, it's a pair of shoes. They have this pair of shoes, and interesting thing is that it was less expensive here, which usually isn't the case, than in Geneva, so I've decided to go for them. And they also had my size, and I know this style is very popular, and I'm pretty sure they sold out in Geneva store because I checked on the website and they didn't have them anymore. So here's the box. It's not my first pair of Prada shoes, but it's the first one that I bought myself. And here is the wrapping inside. And what I got myself are this super cool boots in black color. Let me get this second one. So here are my new boots. I hope you can see them. I'm filming on my iPhone because I didn't bring the camera with me, and I can't really see anything because I'm filming on the back camera. Anyway, not the point. Here is the shoe, and it's in leather. It has a little bit of nylon over here, and of course the famous little coin purse on both sides. I think it looks super cool. I'm not sure if I'll actually use these coin purses because the shoe isn't as heavy as my Bottega boots. Those ones are extremely heavy. These ones are pretty lightweight, but still sort of heavy. And I'm not sure if I'll actually put anything on the inside since the shoes are already a bit heavy, but I could for sure store my AirPods in there. I could put some coins, whatever I want, little miscellaneous things. It also has this little hook over here, so I can, in the future, I can detach it from the shoe and then attach it to a bag or something like that and just use them separately. And that's why I've decided to go for them. Right now they are very trendy looking. I know it's such a popular trend to wear the shoes, but at the same time, you can completely remove this little part and wear the boots as regular boots. And you see, it looks like this regular, what are they called? Dr. Martens? I think that's how you call those boots. So they look pretty simple. And then I could use this little part separately. But for now, I'll just keep it on. They look really, really awesome with jeans and with skirts, and I'm super happy that I got them and that the price was really good as well, and that they had my size, and just overall I'm so happy with this purchase. I think they're just so gorgeous. And the last two things I wanted to share with you are from Cleef Arpels. This was a gift from mom and dad. This was unplanned and very last minute, but we went in there and I picked out this. Well, I actually picked out only one item, and then my mom said it's better to go for a set. And these two pieces were actually on my wish list, so you for sure know what it is, but let me share with you. So the first box, and I got this two beautiful earrings in yellow gold with mother of pearl. I've always wanted these earrings, and also another item which I'm going to show you right now, but how pretty are they? And they are in small size, I believe. They do have a bigger size of the same earrings, but bigger size is just way too big. I think this is just a perfect size. They also have the sweet alambar earrings, but those ones are too tiny, and I think you can get them for additional ear holes if you have some, but these ones are perfect size and in mother of pearl, just like I wanted from my wish list, because it's a very neutral color and I think they're going to be so easy to style even right now with what I'm wearing, and just in general with so many things. The next one is in this box, and I actually wanted a slightly different version of this item, but they didn't have it. And also this one just looks a lot cooler than the other one, and I got this beautiful necklace. It's a long necklace with a larger charm. So the other earrings, the bigger earrings, are also of the same size, I think, but I got the smaller earrings and then the bigger necklace. As you can see, it's pretty long and you can wear it 3 different ways, as I was told in the store. So right now this is what it looks like, and it's pretty long, but then I can she showed me another easy way to wear it, so it's like a tie. So this is the other way to wear this necklace, so you can really play with it and choose however you want to wear it. It's very simple and I think it's so beautiful, and I've always wanted this set. It's been so many years since I've put this on my wish list, but for some reason I just never pulled the trigger and never went for it myself. But I am just super excited about these 2 pieces, and I'm very, very thankful to my parents for gifting me this, because it's truly a dream come true. It's so perfect, really perfect. And mother of pearl, the earrings and the necklace, it's really everything I wanted. So yay! And my mom also wanted me to share with you what she got for Christmas. And the first item is also from Van Cleef, and it's this pearl bracelet, the thin one, and it's in yellow gold. And the other bracelet that she got is also from the pearl collection, but without diamonds. If you watched my previous Van Cleef haul that I did for my mom, it will also be linked up here if you haven't watched it. But she got the same bracelet but with diamonds, and my dad got her 2 more bracelets to fully complete the set, and I will insert a picture of how everything looks over here. It looks so stunning, and I am also super excited for her because it just looks out of this world. It looks absolutely insane. The whole stack is just crazy. It's wow. So I'm so happy for her. And my little sister, she also got the same bracelet, this one without diamonds, but she got it in rose gold because she prefers rose gold, I guess. So this is everything I got. What my mom got and my little sister was just a bonus. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!